My other package have arrived and I'm gonna open it up. Let's get started. Come on. Oh my gosh. She's the cutest thing ever. So it's a little pony, and oh my gosh, she has a little blanket on, and it's able to come off. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. So this is the pony. I'm gonna put on her blanket. Later today, I will be making another video introducing her. But yes, this is her.